If you have clicked this video, I'm sure you are using WhisperFlow and you're tired of paying transcription, or you are looking for a free way, a free alternative. I found a very quick way in order to get live transcription without paying a single dime. The best thing is that you get it from the same model that powers WhisperFlow. You need to install one app and it's called Codex. All you have to do is you click on download. Right now my computer is in French. It's Mac OS. Since I have a Mac computer, it will download automatically. Once you install it, you just have to log in, and once that is done, you are going to land on a page that is like this. And in order to get a transcription, it's very simple. Tap on this small microphone button beside the send button and you are going to get the live transcription. And now as I'm talking, it's actually recording. You download the Codex app, then you install and log in. Once that is done, you click on the microphone icon, and after that you can enjoy the transcription. You can also use Codex as your clipboard by sending the message and then copying it every time you want to use it using the copy icon, so that your transcription never get lost. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you. Peace.